Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Forming a limited liability company, LLC, isn't solely reserved for traditional businesses. Even if you don't operate a conventional business, there are several personal scenarios where establishing an LLC can offer significant advantages. Here's why you might consider forming an LLC for personal use. Before continuing the video, let's introduce you to Bizee. Bizee is a professional formation service company to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review of Bizee is also given in the description box down below. Number 1. Protecting personal assets from risks. Real estate investments. If you own rental properties or other real estate, an LLC can shield your personal assets, like your home or savings, from liabilities associated with property ownership, such as tenant lawsuits or accidents on the property. Personal investments. Holding valuable personal investments, like collectibles, stocks, or intellectual property, within an LLC can protect these assets from personal creditors or legal claims. Number 2. Liability protection in personal ventures. Hobbies with financial risks, activities like motorcycling, boating, or even high-stakes hobbies such as art dealing can carry risks of injury or property damage. An LLC can provide a layer of protection against personal liability. Creative and project-based activities. If you're involved in projects like film production, event planning, or publishing, an LLC can help protect your personal assets from any legal issues that arise from these endeavors. 3. Estate planning and succession. Estate planning. An LLC can be an effective tool for managing and transferring assets to heirs, potentially reducing estate taxes and avoiding the complexities of probate. Family holdings. If you own assets you wish to pass on to family members, an LLC can provide a structured way to manage and transfer ownership interests, ensuring continuity and control over how assets are handled. Then, number 4. Privacy protection. Holding assets privately. In some states, forming an LLC allows you to hold assets under the company's name rather than your own, providing an additional layer of privacy and reducing public exposure of your personal holdings. 5. Financial management and organization. Clear financial boundaries. An LLC can help you organize and manage personal investments or multiple income streams more effectively by keeping them separate from your personal finances. This separation can simplify financial tracking and management. Simplified accounting. Managing finances through an LLC can streamline bookkeeping, making it easier to track income, expenses, and investments related to specific personal ventures. 6. Tax flexibility. Pass-through taxation. An LLC offers flexibility in taxation, allowing you to choose how the entity is taxed, as a sole proprietorship, partnership, S-corp, or C-corp. This flexibility can help you optimize your tax situation based on your specific financial activities. Potential tax deductions. Depending on how the LLC is structured, you may be eligible for certain tax deductions related to business expenses, health insurance, or retirement plans, even if the business is for personal use. Number 7. Enhanced credibility and professionalism. Credibility with partners and institutions. Even without a traditional business, having an LLC can lend credibility to personal projects, investments, or freelance work. This professional appearance can be beneficial when dealing with banks, investors, or potential partners. Perception of seriousness. An LLC signals that you are serious about managing your personal ventures responsibly, which can enhance trust and reliability in various personal dealings. 8. Simplified legal structure. Less complexity than corporations, LLCs offer a simpler structure compared to corporations, making them easier to manage while still providing essential benefits like liability protection and tax flexibility. Operational flexibility. You have more freedom in how you run the LLC, without the stringent requirements and formalities that come with corporations. Here are some things to consider before forming an LLC for personal use. While there are numerous advantages, it's essential to weigh them against potential drawbacks. Costs. Forming and maintaining an LLC involves state filing fees, possible annual fees, and ongoing administrative costs. Compliance requirements. You'll need to adhere to state regulations, which may include maintaining separate bank accounts, keeping detailed records, and filing annual reports. Administrative effort. Managing an LLC requires some level of administrative effort, which might be unnecessary if your personal activities are minimal. Purpose alignment. Ensure that the benefits of an LLC align with your personal needs. In some cases, other structures like trusts or holding companies might better suit specific objectives. After understanding the disadvantages, you can now decide when an LLC would be right for you. Significant personal assets. If you possess substantial assets that you want to protect from potential liabilities. Real estate ownership. Managing rental properties or other real estate investments through an LLC. High-risk personal activities. Engaging in activities that could expose you to legal or financial risks. Estate planning needs. Structuring the transfer of assets to heirs in a tax-efficient and organized manner. Privacy concerns. Maintaining privacy for your personal holdings and investments. Lastly, forming an LLC for personal use can offer valuable benefits such as asset protection, tax flexibility, and enhanced credibility. However, it's crucial to assess your specific situation and objectives before proceeding. Consulting with a legal or financial advisor can help determine whether an LLC is the right choice for your personal needs and ensure that you navigate the formation and maintenance processes correctly. Now, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using Bizee, and in the description down below you also find a review of their service. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service. Now, let me just show you what types of services Bizee provides to business owners. After arriving on their website, you will see the list of all the services they provide. Under the Start Your Business section, you will see 4 of their key services, which are form an LLC, C Corporation, S Corporation, and Nonprofit. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Silver, Gold, and Platinum. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $236 in all the packages. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email support. Next, the Gold package, which costs $249. And this is the package I highly recommend, with filing EIN, which is a business tax number, Form 2553. It also comes with operating agreement, business bank account, lifetime company alerts, tax consultation, etc. In the next section, Bizee is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. After that, they ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. Bizee is providing registered agent service free for 1 year. And after that, it's $119 per year. Bizee is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. Then if you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. In the Bizee dashboard, if you go to Legal and then Licenses and Permits, they can do this research for you and make sure that you have all the proper licenses and permits. After providing all the information, Bizee will be the one handling all the documents and registering your LLC on your behalf, so you won't need to go through any of these hassles. And there you have it. By following these 8 steps, you'll be well on your way to launching a successful notary business. Remember, every great business starts with a great plan, and the effort you put in now will pay off in the long run. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on starting and running a successful business.